Hi again, it's Johnny from Balloons Delivered Las Vegas. I just want to speak to you about helium and what it does. Now, we talked about the helium shortage, but let's talk about helium itself and what happens to balloons. Well, we live in Vegas, and pretty soon it's going to be 105 degrees outside. And we'll blow up balloons for you, we'll bring them over. And when the balloons hit the heat, they stretch, especially the Mylar balloons. Latex balloons stretch too, and it actually can stretch and pop. A Mylar balloon will keep stretching and stretching and stretching. It might pop, might not. So the heat does that. Now here's the fun part. After it's all hot, it's all stretched, we'll go to the hotel. When I go to the hotel, some of these hotels, I swear they're 60 degrees when you walk in the door. I used to go to Caesars just to cool down, to stand in the front doorway. 60 degrees, it's gotta be, it's cold. And the balloons, all of a sudden, they shrink, they shrivel up like they're popped, and they look horrible. Well, the problem was that we filled them up at 75 degrees, we took it to 105 and they stretched, then we took them back to 70 degrees. So they shrunk again. So the way to solve this is we have another video that talks about how to inflate balloons or re-inflate balloons that are showing these signs. When you get back to your room again, and if it's still like that, the balloons don't look perfect, look for that other video I have on how to re-inflate balloons. It's with the number 50. And we use a method called the straw method, where we take just a regular drinking straw from anywhere you can find one, even a straw from the casino. You take that cocktail straw you left on the table last night and take that with you. We leave it so that we don't tie the valves closed. The valves are open, and they're one-way valves. You can only put air in or helium in. You can't take it out. And we take the balloon, and we blow a little bit more fresh air into it. They're big enough, and they have enough helium still in them that they'll float well. And we blow a little air into them, and they get solid again. Please take a look at that other video and see how it works, but this will solve your problems and make your balloons look pretty. I don't want you to go into your room, upstairs to the room, and the balloons just don't look great. We want you to have great looking balloons here at Balloons Delivered Las Vegas. Again, thank you for watching. I'm Johnny. It's Balloons Delivered Las Vegas.